I'm Dr. Jarrett Daniels. I'm a curator at the Florida Museum of Natural History, and I'm the principal investigator for this project funded by the Florida Department of Transportation to outplant 9,000 milkweeds along Florida roadsides. Milkweed is important to monarchs. It's the sole host plant for their developing caterpillars. So without milkweed, there would be no monarchs around. And we're working on outplanting 2 upland species of milkweed, which are critical to the return migration of the monarch in the spring. And so that recolonization of Florida wouldn't happen without these species of milkweeds being across the landscape. Our goal is to extend and augment that landscape to support more butterflies and ultimately provide more beautification along Florida roadsides for drivers and the general public. Roadsides are really valuable spaces. They're often overlooked, especially for conservation, but they support and provide a lot of roles in the environment. So they first and foremost help provide safety for the infrastructure of the roadside. They filter water, and then they support a diversity of flowering plants, which ties into the Florida wildflower program that enables visitors and motorists to see sort of this kaleidoscope of color. And then that diverse plant community supports a wide range of other valuable pollinating insects, which in turn provide a real strong service of pollination to specialty crops like watermelon and blueberry that provide hundreds of millions of dollars annually to the Florida economy, support jobs, support the communities around farms, and really ensure that we have food security. It's always exciting when you can partner with an agency like the Florida Department of Transportation, and working collaboratively is just the fun part of science. FDOT has been involved in this project from the beginning. They funded the project, they were involved in the conception, they're involved in where we select the sites to outplant the milkweed, and today they're actually getting their hands dirty. They're out in the field with us planting the plants in the ground. It's working together for a greater good, and FDOT sees the broader value of projects like this. It's making a better world for all of us to support the conservation of an iconic organism like the monarch, and just make use of a space that is often thought of as undervalued, and show people that all these spaces that we as humans maintain are critical for the conservation of organisms, critical for the roles that they play in the broader environment, and how they benefit really all Floridians.